Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Lagun Republic FTV-2 vertical milling machine. It's made in Spain and imported into California. Has a 3-phase 220 or 440 volt motor. The brake. Forward and reverse. It's variable speed, so your speeds when you're in high and low. That's how you switch it to high or low. Has power feed on the quill, an R8 spindle, very similar to a Bridgeport. 3 speeds on your quill feed. 9 by 48 inch table in nice condition. Has an extra long knee on it. One-shot lube, and they put power feeds on all 3 axes for this one. It has an actual servo on the knee. Rapid reverse don't work. Oh wait, there it is. Guess it does work. He did some creative engineering on the y-axis, but it works. Jog. And the x-axis. Power feed works. Automatic kickout. Low speed. Stops for the knee travel. Thanks for looking.